This video explains how you can put the photo in different shapes. For example, in this case I have put the photographs in the heart shape, but in general you can put your photographs in any shape. For example, over here in this shape tool, you can see there are different types of shapes there. So you can select that tool from here, custom shape tool in the toolbox, and then you can select different shapes here. You can also load multiple shapes by clicking here, and there are lots of other shapes there. You have to just click on that and then it will add those shapes. Once the shape is available here, you can just create that shape. Just select and then drag it. For example, if I want to create heart shape, just select that one and then like that you can create the shape. So basically the thing is that how you want to put the photographs in that shape, that I'm gonna tell you. So let us create new file for that, and then what you have to do is, first step is select this custom shape tool here on the toolbox and then select shape there. In this fill, let us select simple color, and that's it. Just to draw the shape here, and after that what you have to do is let us say I want to put one image. Just drag one image there that you want to put there. So this one, well, let us select different image there. Let's this one. So the one image is gone. Just place it by clicking on this checkbox, and what you have to do is you have to add the create clipping mask. That so what happens is only the portion of the image that is on the top of that shape will be displayed, other portion will be removed. So that is the feature of this clipping mask. It will clip your photograph on that mask that is just underneath this layer. So once you do that, you can drag your photo like this, and then you can get another photograph. Let us this one. So another photograph has come through, and click on this checkbox there at the top, tick mark. Okay, so again what you have to do is just drag it so that it will be available there. You can also enlarge if you want. So what we have done is we haven't added this clipping mask for this. Let us add the clipping mask for that. As you can see, this photograph is there now. Okay, so that's how you can put different photographs there. You can also rotate this image, flip it as well if you want. So similarly you can take another shape. Let us say for example if you want to take this shape, so just take that shape and then Similarly, add another photograph at the top, and then it will be clipped to that particular shape only. So that's how you can use this clipping mask effect to put your photographs in different shapes. Thanks for watching this video.